In this video I'm going to show you how to calculate your salary or hourly rate in Google Sheets and Excel. So what we are going to do today, we have made an overview with all the worked hours but also the overtime hours. And it is great to get an overview of all your expenses as a business owner or maybe as a worker. So what we will do, we will calculate our payment today. And first we need to calculate the total worked hours. So that will be the regular hours, the 40 hours plus the 7 hours. And you can easily automatically calculate those by filling in a formula. So what we will fill in as a formula is equals sum and then an opening bracket. Select the first hours, so the normal hours, that is cell E8. And then we will enter cell E9 for the overtime hours. So we will enter that E9 and then a closing bracket, and then we will enter. And as you can see, now we've got the total worked hours. Now the next step is of course to calculate the amount which you will be paid or you have to pay towards your workers. Now what we will do for this is basically make a little sum again. And this will be the following thing is sum, and then we will select the 47 and then use a star to times that by the price an hour, so by the hourly rate. And if you close that with a closing bracket, then you will calculate the total payment of this overview. Now if I close it, then you will see that we have the total payment calculated automatically by using the data in these cells. And this is how you calculate your salary or a hourly rate in Google Sheets and Excel. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!